She's not happy.
It's alright.
Look at the fur on her back.
Come here, that is good too. It's okay. It's alright. Can I hug you? Hmm? Come here. Come. Come here, Ray.
She wants to go outside.
Come here. Come on. Here, oh. Come. She's in. Come on. And in here. Here. Up. Look up. Look up. Here. Look up here, Ray. Look how they are behaved.
Oh, they're looking at her.
She's smiling. She's smiling.
Oh.
What's that? Can you smell kitten? Are you kitten here? It's okay. Be good. Be good. They're very good boy kittens. Because they are boys. You're gonna be good too, Rain, for them? They're your brothers now. Your family now. Rain, we're family. Look at her. The kids are still at school.
Well, they're going to be excited when they
They're
get
gonna be
home.
excited when they.
Did they know?
Yeah. I told them last week that they're gonna bring the kittens next week, but they.
Well, so they
Come
don't know
today.
they're coming today.
Yeah.
They won't know when they get home. They'll be excited. Look at her.
Mm.
She's not going ballistic. They'll just have to work it out between them.
Yeah. It's gonna take few days, maybe they're
In
gonna.
a few
listen.
weeks. Especially if they start
They're
eating
very
her.
behaved.
Especially if they start eating her food.
They're very behaved.
Yeah, because they're trying to work it out whether she's going to attack them or not.
You look in their faces here. This is Sunny. Oh no,
Thunder,
Thunder, and this is Sunny.
Sunny, and Rain still
Rain.
working them out. She's sniffing. What are they doing in my territory?
Meet Thunder.
Don't know how we
And
ended up with
Sunny.
two, but anyway. Rainy.
Hey.
Can't believe they're brothers. They look completely different.
She's laying on the floor up there. You can smell kittens on the floor? Look at this one, oh. Look at Sunny. Are you still Sunny? Don't be scared. Oh, you're sleeping. You're sleeping.
No, they're probably, what are they? Just over 8 weeks old.
2 months.
Yeah, it will be 8 weeks. Wouldn't it?
You don't want to go outside because I have kittens here.
Oh, she's sussing it out.
She's
What do you
meowing.
think, Rain? Rain, what do you think?
Can I hug you? Can I hug you? You can smell the kitten I hug her.
It's all right to get her meet. Thunder wants to meet her.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
She's backing up.
Come here. Come on. Thunder wants Sunny here?
They're both about to sleep. They're not real stressed.
Mm. It's okay. Hi. Wow. You tired? You tired? Yes. You got tired? Hmm? You're traveling for 2 hours? Yeah? Look at Ray.
Just trying to work it out.
Mm.
Lanny's happy anyway.
Yeah, and the kids too. Thanks again, Juby and Ate Juice. Josephine. Thank you. Ayan. No, that. Magpakarga sila pa. Ang cute. Yung si Ren, magpakarga na po ni si Ren. Mag-sales kini siya.
I gotta go to work.
Natulog na sila, natulog na. Natulog. They're asleep.
Okay, enough excitement now.
Okay, bye-bye.